A very good morning, everyone.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Hope you all are doing well.
Yes.
Alhamdulillah. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so welcome to Cloudinfotech Solution. This is Aisha Almas. Can we start the class?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
So what we have done in a previous class?
Deployment model.
Global infrastructure of AWS.
Yes,
Reason why availability zones are created.
yes,
Why they created edge location.
Pricing
yes,
What
factors.
is fair responsibility of model.
yes,
Price factors. Support plans for AWS.
yes,
Deployment
very,
model.
yes,
Service models of cloud computing.
yes, very good, Rajeshwari.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so Rajeshwari,
Ma'am.
can you say something about
Yeah.
service models of cloud computing?
Yeah, ma'am.
Go ahead.
It's kind of service model offered by cloud, provide as service to their
Mhm.
customers. According to their business requirements, there are three types: as, PaaS, and SaaS. As is for infrastructure as a service. PaaS is for platform as a service. SaaS is for software as a service.
Yes. Um, oh, thank you, Rajeshwari.
Thank you, ma'am.
Amreen Bushra,
Yes, ma'am.
what is shared responsibility model?
It's responsibilities are shared between Amazon team and customer. Amazon team is responsible for maintaining network, server, power supply, internet,
Yes,
and OS. Whereas customer he has to use his application and data responsibilities.
very good, Amreen, very good. Your confidence is like more than 90%.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Suji,
Yes, ma'am.
how many deployment models are there in cloud computing?
There are four deployment models, ma'am.
Yes.
Public, private, uh, hybrid model, cloud computing. Public means
Community.
community. Public means it own premises for all public as a rental services.
Yes.
Private means for only organization. Own premises for only organization.
Yes.
Community model premises different own premises for multiple organizations, but not for public. Hybrid model means combination of public and private.
Thank you, Suji.
Thank you.
Sarah, Sarah Ali. Sarah Ali, am I audible? Okay, fine. Can I start the class?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so hope everyone created AWS account,
Yes, ma'am.
AWS free account. AWS free account offers you 12 months free account for customers and students when you work in a company or when you're new to the company, or if student wants to learn something about cloud computing, they can use this account. Requirement to create this account is, first you need to go to the URL, that is aws.amazon.com or Amazon Management Console. To create the account, you need debit card or credit card. That should be Master, Visa, or Rupee. Only these cards will be accepted. And you need to give the valid email address in that. And You should enable international transactions and you should select the personal account, not business. They'll give two options, personal or business. You need to select personal. Now, enterprise level account. That means when you become a cloud engineer, when you work in a company or an organization, will you use the same free account? No. You will use the company's account. And in company, in real time industry, you need to pay monthly or yearly bills. You need to pay monthly or yearly bills. There will be two types. You can pay two ways. One is post bill payment, that is pay as you go, pay as you go, and prepaid bill, which you need to pay before. It will have 40 to 60% of discount. Whether you use or not use, you need to pay. That is basically for production environment. Now, how can I see and manage my company account? So AWS Organization Service helps you to create multiple accounts and manage in a company. Here you need to go to AWS account, user profile and organization. First, what you need to type it Amazon Management Console. This is how to log into AWS account after you have created the account. I have created my account, my free 12 months account. Then this is how I log in. First, I need to type AWS Management Console, then sign into console. I need to select root user because root user will have access of all 200 plus services. This is my account ID. You need to type your email address and the password, which we have created while creating this account. This is the AWS account. This is known as console home. This is known as console. Here in services, there are how many services are there in AWS?
200 plus services.
200
Yes.
plus.
Here you can see all 200 plus services, or you can search the service. Here there are how many regions in AWS?
32
32 regions.
Yes, 32 regions. Here you can see all 32 regions. In which region AWS started?
North Virginia.
Not Virgin.
Yes. How many availability zones are there in North
Six.
Virginia?
6.
Yes. And in other regions?
3.
Other regions,
Yes.
3,
8.
ma'am.
Yes.
3. Sorry.
Very good. Yes. In other regions, there are 3 availability zones, but in North Virginia, it's 6. These are all the 32 regions. You can switch to any region. Currently, I'm in Ohio. If I switch to North Virginia, then I will be working in North Virginia. This is the console of North Virginia. Here, top right, you can see your name, your account name. If you type account, you can see all the details of the account. This is the organization account, which I was explaining you right now. See, this is so in companies, you will not use this personal account. You will use your company's account. Say you are working in TCS company. So there will be the AWS account of TCS company. That is known as master account. Under the master account, there will be organizational units. That means in a company, there will be different professions, right? Different departments, be it developer team or testing team or production team or Python team, Java team, security team. finance team. So under this master account, you will be creating the developer team, organizational unit. You will divide the teams, divide the professions, the departments. The- Here
We
there
are
is an
creating
example of
we are creating
develop.
space for the team to store the data.
This I'm explaining about the account, how the account will be in companies.
That's what the developer, tester, and production team. We are creating 3 accounts so that they can manage their own accounts.
Yes, they can manage their own accounts, and the bill is consolidated billing, where developers get their own billing, testing team get their own billing, and production. Is it clear, everyone? Under for the
Yes.
first account will be the master account. Under this accounts, will be divided the departments. Under that departments, you will create the in companies there will be a accounts, AWS accounts. And what are the benefits of this AWS organizations account? Centralized management. That means master account can manage all these accounts. And consolidated billing. Developers team gets their own billing, testing team gets their own billing, and production team gets their own billing. Different components of AWS organization. Now, what is root account? To control all other accounts in an organization. Organizational unit, subcontainer, to contain other accounts like finance, development, testing, production, and security control policies. Do you all know what is whitelisting versus blacklisting? Authorized users. Whitelisting is the authorized users, which users can use this account, or which users which are unauthorized users. Blacklisting.
And
Allow or deny
on
permission
on
on
what
account.
factors does it depend?
Sorry,
How people are whitelisted and blacklisted? I mean, denied permission. Why?
authorized. This is basically the authorized or unauthorized users, which we gonna like this in companies, which they gonna divide. They will give access, who to give access or who to not give
Acha, okay,
access.
okay, got it.
So this is all about the company's account. In company, you will not use your personal account, you will use the company's account. So to see that, you need to go to the top right, your name. Here you can see your name. Here you can see organization. For say this is my master account. For example, this is my master account. You can add more accounts in this. Like here you can see the option add an AWS account. You need to give the name of that account. If you want to add anyone in your account, then you need to give the name, the email address, and create AWS account. Or you can also invite the existing AWS accounts. Like I'm Aisha Almas. I'm in the master account. So if I want to invite you, if I want to invite Amreen, then I need to give the uh, account ID of Amreen. What is the account ID? Here you can see. This is my account ID. You need to copy and paste. Similarly, if I want to invite Amreen, I can copy and paste your account ID here. Then I can send invitation to you. This is how it works in the companies. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.